Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials now. First, make sure your phone is on a stable network. Open a web page to confirm. Once done, update Botim. Outdated builds often fail to connect. Then go to Settings and grant microphone, camera, and background data permissions. Without these, calls and presence fail. Make sure battery saver is off, and if you use a VPN, temporarily disable it. These first steps remove the most common blockers, so you can move to deeper fixes. Now you handle the middle steps, network configuration and routing. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data and back. That reveals carrier versus local router issues. Toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then restart the device to clear transient sockets. On your router, check NAT type and ensure UDP/TCP traffic for voice is allowed. Standard stun/turn ports like 3478 and 5349 must not be blocked. Also update router firmware. Finally, you complete the fix and prepare for escalation. Clear Botim cache first, then uninstall and reinstall to remove corrupted files. That often resolves persistent failures. If problems remain, sign in with another account or try a different device to tell whether it's account, device, or network related. If you still fail to connect, record error messages, take screenshots, and gather logs if possible. Then contact Botim support with the evidence. A single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.